Quick Lane is a convenient and easy option at Inver Grove Ford. Here's what you can expect for your visit. First, to find Quick Lane, you'll need to take 50th Street around the other side of Inver Grove Ford. You'll see a sign for Quick Lane at the entrance. When you arrive, pull up to any door. Stop your vehicle where the signs indicate. Our Quick Lane advisor will welcome you and direct you to the check-in desk. After getting information from your vehicle, the advisor will join you. Let us know if you'll be staying as your vehicle is serviced, or if we should text or call you when your vehicle is ready for pickup. If you're waiting for your vehicle, make yourself at home in our comfortable lounge area with complimentary snacks, drinks, television, and Wi-Fi. When your service is complete, we'll find you in the lounge or call or text you to check back with a cashier for your keys and paperwork to get you on your way. All runners will bring the vehicle up front so you can pick it up and be on your way. Remember, Quick Lane at Inver Grove Ford is your go-to place for routine auto maintenance for all makes and models. And for future service needs, we offer complimentary pickup and delivery as well as mobile service as an option. We want to accommodate your schedule and make service as convenient and hassle-free as possible. Thank you for choosing Quick Lane at Inver Grove Ford. We look forward to your visit. See you soon.